How to create anchor links in Google Sites. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you exactly how to do that the best way possible in Google Sites, because it is actually not the best, but it is functional. But at the same time, like I said, it's not the best. Instead of it scrolling down to the place where you want it to be, it's actually going to open up a new tab. But I mean, it is what it is, so we just gotta work with what we have. So let's just go ahead and show you how to actually create these anchor links. Now, to actually create them, you will require to have some headings in your page. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it with normal text. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new page full of different headings here. So I'm just going to name it anchor test. There you go. And click on done. So let's just go ahead and insert some headings in this page here, just so we can actually test things out. To add a heading, you would want to add a text box normally, but then you want to click on normal text and make sure that it is a heading. And I'm just going to name this heading 1. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and try to spam just to get a little bit of a distance here. And let's just go ahead and create another text box and name it heading 2 and ensure that it is a heading. So let's just stick with these two for the time being. I may add a third one. Actually, I'm just going to add a third one off screen. Okay, great. So now we have heading 3, heading 2, and we also have heading 1, and there's a good distance between them. So how do we actually create these anchor links? It's actually very simple. First, you will actually need to publish the changes. So if you don't, just try to make any sort of change just so you can actually publish it, because we are required to do so. Otherwise, if you try to view the site from here, it's not going to work. You will need to actually click on publish and make sure you actually publish it. And once that's done, you will need to click on the view button on the bottom once it actually shows after you publish it. And it's just going to allow us to actually view the published website. Now, next to each heading, you can actually see that we have a link icon next to it. So what we want to do is just go ahead and copy all of them. I'm just going to copy this first one. I'm going to copy this second one, and I'm going to copy this third one. Now that I copied all three of them, I should be able to see them by hitting Control V. Was it Control V or... Oh, I mean Windows V. Okay, my bad. And then here you can actually see all the different ones. Different links here for each one. Now what we need to do basically is just go back to the editor here. And we want to insert buttons with the links of each heading. So we are going to go ahead and add a button here. I'm just going to name it heading 1. And here you would want to paste the link of the actual heading here. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the first one and click on insert. It's going to be down here, but you can obviously move it up. But I'm just going to not waste time and go for heading 2. Hopefully I did not mess up the links. Hopefully they are in the correct order. Otherwise they're, yeah, well, you know exactly what to do anyways, just to rearrange them basically. So heading 3, and then it should be the first link at the top, hopefully. And I'm just going to click on insert. And now if we actually preview our site here, and if somebody clicks on heading 1, it's just going to redirect them to heading 1. If they click on heading 2, it's going to redirect them to heading 2. Same goes for heading 3. Now, like I said, unfortunately, we are going to be opening up new tabs, and there's no way around it. This is the only way to do it, from my understanding at least. And yeah, hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.